Welcome to day 8 and second week of morning yoga challenge. Let's begin this practice in cross-legged sit. Remember, if this position doesn't seem very comfortable, you can always try placing a block, cushion or a blanket underneath your hips for a bit more comfort. Sit up with a straight spine here and then lift your chin up to the sky and lower it down to the chest. Move your head up and down a few times, as fast or as slow as you feel like, just slowly warming up the neck muscles. Move your head side to side, looking to the left and to the right. Bring your head back to center, place fingertips to your shoulders, roll your elbows forward, up, back and down. Try to touch your elbows together when you move them forward. Warming up the upper body, arms and shoulders. Release your arms. With inhale, sweep them out and up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Both arms reach up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale in center, lengthen through the upper body. Exhale to the left. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Look back over your right shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Keep moving. With inhale, reaching your arms up, lengthening. With exhale, twisting. A little more each time. Last round. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Walk your hands forward, release your upper body over the legs. Release your head. Sway the upper body side to side a few times, adding a bit movement to this pose. Come back to seated. Uncross your legs, place your feet wide and hands behind you for support. Lower your knees to one side and another side, trying to bring the knees all the way down. Stretching muscles around your hips. Make your way to tabletop position for cat and cow stretch. Inhale, lift your tailbone and chest, look up. Exhale, round the back, look to your navel. Keep moving in the rhythm of your breath. Bring your spine back to neutral. Straighten your right leg, toes down on the mat. Press your heel down to the floor, stretching your calf. Move back and forth a few times. Then bend your right leg and circle your hip out. A few times in one direction. And change direction. Step your right foot between your hands for low lunge. Gently push your hips down, lift your chest up, reach your arms up to the sky. Take one more big inhale, lift your chest a little higher. Exhale, release your hands down. Step your right foot back. Straighten your left leg, toes down, and push your heel back to the mat a few times, stretching your calf. Bend your knee and circle this leg out, around 3 circles in one direction. And then change direction. Step your left foot forward. Lift your arms up, low lunge. Inhale, lift your chest higher. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Step your left foot back and lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Move here a little, pedal out your feet, shake your head, sway the hips side to side. Then find some stillness. Press through your hands, lift your hips high. Gently push the heels down to the mat. And release your knees down. Sit down to your heels for a moment. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart and think about one thing that you're grateful for today, however small or big it is. When you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed your morning practice today. Let me know in the comments if you did. See you tomorrow for day 9.